Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to screen share on Facebook Messenger calls. If you're using Facebook Messenger and now you want to share your screen, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Messenger app and you select the person with which you want to share your screen. As I'm going to select this one, and here you have to make a video call with the person. Just tap on video call icon and it will start a video call, and after that you have to wait for the second person to accept the call. Here's my second phone. You can see the call is receiving. You just have to tap on answer to receive the call, and here you just have to tap on the screen share option, and here just tap on screen and then tap on this option and then tap on start sharing, and here you have to select which you want to share. I'm going to select my entire screen. Just tap on entire screen, then tap on start now. And after that, just tap on minimize call and it will make a call pop up in your screen, and in this way you can easily share your screen to the other phone. So that's how you can screen share on Facebook Messenger calls. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.